Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Cow Emporium. Today, we're going to be digging up our potatoes. We grew 5 rows of potatoes, 50 feet long, and we put nearly half of them into our garden boxes that we sold over the summer. Sorry, it's a little bit windy today. We're going to dig up these potatoes, and I'm not going to bring you along for that process. That's a bit tedious, but when we're done, we'll show you what we got. And maybe a little along the way. Get it, Tippy. Well, that's the last hill. It's too bad these sunflowers are causing so much shade. But we're gonna let the potatoes dry out for a bit, and then we'll come back out and collect them and talk about what amendments we put in with our potatoes and how they look. So these are odd little things we've found in the garden. There's been a few plants on the north end that in this particular variety, the pink amorosa, that all the potatoes under the plant started to sprout. And we can only figure that the ground was warm enough because we had a super hot streak in August. And in September, in the first part of September, that the plant thought that it was time for them to grow again. Interesting. So here's our fingerlings, the pink amorosa and these ones that look like a Yukon Gold. They're in pretty good shape, these guys. Garlic and tomatoes, pumpkins. Here's the russet Burbanks. The russet Burbanks are pretty disease resistant anyway, but I don't see any scab on them. And the Yukon Golds are the same. They look beautiful. These are my favorite potato, actually. I love the soft texture of them. And Glenn just brought in the red Pontiacs. They're nice big potatoes this year. Okay then, the potato collection job is done. We ended up with 9 5-gallon pails of the 5 different varieties that we grew. The Yukon Gold and the russet Burbanks were probably our nicest potatoes. We used molasses water on those, and the red Pontiac were probably our, I'm gonna say, scabbiest potatoes. They are the ones that I noticed the scab on and not the other ones, actually. And I tried amending the soil with peat moss for those. So yeah, so that's how that little experiment went. We're going to show the difference between molasses watered potatoes, the spruce needle potatoes, and the peat moss potatoes, and the sulfur potatoes, how they were amended and what worked and what didn't with my sister-in-law's garden dig when she gets out to do her potatoes. So thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye for now. Take care.